Okay, all done. Excellent. New boiler in, Worcester 24-hour one, heat only boiler. New programmer, all wired up, a little bit complex, but obviously that's where we come in, not a problem. So we've got all our cables, put it into a 5-pin plug, and then bolt that 5-core cable into the boiler. Another important tip, these new boilers nowadays, aluminium heat exchangers. Okay, we have a water softener here. Cannot fill the heating system up with softened water, artificially softened water. Straight away it's going to invalidate your guarantee. So you're getting a 10-year guarantee, not worth the paper it's written on, if you put softened water in your header tank, filling up your rads and your boiler. Eventually, pinhole your boiler, might take quite a while, but if Worcester was to come out, or many other manufacturers, test the water and find it's got artificially softened water, then we invalidate the guarantee. Okay, so what's important is, there's a couple of ways of doing it. You always should have a bypass valve on your water softener. So when we fill up the system, it's not always practical. Sometimes we put a hard main into the header tank. So softened water won't go in the header tank. Header tank is your central heating tank that fills up your boiler and your radiators. So if it's not practical to run a new water main hard water to the header tank, you can isolate your water softener, turn on your bypass, and that's send hard water to your header tank. So that way, obviously you've drained all the water out, flush it through early on in the day, and you can then put hard water into your boiler, your radiators. After it's all filled up and dosed up with inhibitor, Prodox F1 or Cetanol X100, a decent chemical. Then we can, once it's all filled, we can reinstate the water softener and turn the bypass back off. So it sends soft water back up to your storage tank. So obviously showers, baths, etc. is also going to become softened water again. So that's the way of doing it. It's always best practice to run a water main hard water to a header tank, but it's not always practical. But that's it. So after the boiler, you got your magnet clean on your primary return, so it hits the filter before it hits the heat exchanger, put it onto life, and that is more or less about it. So this is all commissioned, already to hand over to the customer, and I'll see him next year for the first year service.